So once you've taken your Ozobot out of the box, the first thing you're going to want to do is download the Ozobot app so that you can actually use your Ozobot. So you'll go on your iPad or your iPhone and download the app, and then you're going to open the app. Open the app. It may take a second to open. Okay, so once it opens, unless you have a sign-in and an Evo account, you're just going to select play without signing in, and then you're going to click OK, and you're going to want to make sure to enable your Bluetooth before you can play with your Ozobot. Once you've connected to your Bluetooth, you're going to power on your Ozobot, which is done with this little power button on the side. Once you've turned your Ozobot on, it'll tell you that it is powered on. You'll click next, and then you're just going to connect to your Evo, and it says it's connecting. Once it's selected, you'll hit next, and then you'll be able to play with your Evo.